and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a super delicious honey orange glazed salmon. To get started, here I have 3 salmon fillets that I went ahead and washed in lemon juice. I have here some Old Bay seasoning, garlic pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. So the first thing we'll do is combine all of the seasonings into a bowl. We'll mix until well combined, and then we'll marinate our salmon with the seasonings. We'll generously coat the salmon on both sides, and then we'll leave to marinate for about 30 minutes. So while our salmon is marinating, let's take a look at the ingredients for our glaze. Here I have some orange juice, some balsamic vinegar, I have honey, grated garlic, and some leftover seasonings from our salmon. Here in my cast iron skillet, I went in with about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I will place my salmon in here. I will cook them for about 4 minutes on each side. Once the salmon is cooked on both sides, we'll remove them and we'll proceed to making our honey orange glaze. In the same pan, we'll add some butter and allow it to melt. Next, we'll add our garlic and allow it to go for about 1 minute. We don't need it to go too long because it's grated and it cooks pretty fast. Next, we'll add our orange juice, balsamic vinegar, honey, and our seasonings. We want this to come up to a slight simmer and we'll allow it to reduce. Once it reduces, it will thicken up and we'll end up with a nice yummy glaze. Once it thickens up, we will now add our salmon back in here and we'll coat it generously with this yummy glaze. Then we'll garnish with some fresh parsley, and that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to make this recipe, guys. And it's super delicious. You guys will not regret trying it. We will plate this up and I'll be back with the finished product. And so I'll be enjoying this with some seasoned basmati rice and a simple salad, guys. This recipe is absolutely delicious and I hope y'all give it a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!